Nano, very small. Technology, application of scientific knowledge. When these two join forces, it would be nanotechnology, which is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes through the use of very small particles. Nanotechnology is tied in with taking a gander to world on such a little scope that we cannot just observe the molecules that make up everything around us considering ourselves. However, we can control these atoms and make new things. Consider nanotechnology at that point similar to somewhat like development or construction. Imagine this concept. How can it be surreal? Well, if this is just the first time that you have heard about nanotechnology, you are a little bit late. Nanotechnology is being used since the late 1970s by Japanese professor and scientist Norio Taniguchi. And as the time passes by, nanotechnology became more and more functional. Its contribution to the modern world is immeasurable. In our everyday lives, the presence of nanotechnology is inevitable. Either we are outside or inside of our houses, we still encounter it. Examples of everyday products that use nanotechnology are sunscreen, furniture, computers, and many more. Nanotechnology improves the quality of every product as well as improving their uses. With nanotechnology, we can live a life that is easier and not susceptible to harm. Nanotechnology is not only applied in products, but also in different aspects of science and technology. First, in the medical field. Nanomedicine devices have been such a great help in surgeries. These small devices can be easily inserted into the body compared to traditional devices which are large in size. Better imaging, indicative instruments empowered by nanotechnology are paving their way for early diagnosis, more individual treatment choices, and better therapeutic success rates. The drug delivery by nanosystems benefits the human body by targeting cancer cells without harming the normal cells. This technique has proved successful results in the field, reducing the toxic effects of chemotherapy. Also, nanotechnology can fix broken tissues in the body by utilizing nanofiber. Second, nanotechnology has been a great help in improving computers. It has significantly contributed to advance in registering in hardware, prompting quicker, more modest, more versatile frameworks that can oversee and store huge amounts of information. Transistor, a device that is used to control or regulate the flow of electronic signals and enable modern calculation, has gotten smaller because of nanotechnology. Back then, a typical transistor was large, ranging from about 130 to 250 nanometers. And in 2016, a one little nanometer transistor was introduced. This could mean that by any chance, your computer's entire memory could be stored in a single tiny chip. The third, in energy efficiency. Nanotechnology is already being used in developing lighter, efficient, and quicker charging batteries. Fourth, in environmental remediation. Nanotechnology can help meet the needs for affordable and much cleaner drinking water through rapid, low cost, and treatment of water impurities. Last, but not the least, in the future transportation. Nanotechnology assures the development of multifunctional materials that will contribute to creating and sustaining more efficient, lighter, safer, smarter aircraft, spacecraft, ships, and other developing vehicles. Game-changing benefits and advantages by the utilization of nanotechnology, empowered lightweight, high-quality materials, and applied to practically any transportation vehicle. Look how powerful and effective nanotechnology is. Living with this will make the world and our lives easier, safer, and more productive. We are so lucky that nanotechnologies are present in our everyday living. Each day, each month, each year, new ideas nanotechnologies are being encouraged and developed. Just think of what it can do for our future, and think about what more we can receive and do with these nanotechnologies. More opportunities, more ideas, more technologies, and extended lives. Nanotechnologies, small but formidable.